Chronicles. It's weird, I couldn't find a way to reach my face. It's 4:96. It's a Monday. I should be working today, but I'm not. I mean, at the business. So we're gonna just keep trudging along on the house, I guess. But of course it's raining. Well, it stormed like crazy this morning. I don't know what time it was, but it thunder and lightning woke everybody up, freaked the dog out. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with these like May thunderstorms. Is that a thing? I guess it's been a thing. I just didn't know it was a thing. Hang on. I don't know. But seems odd, maybe a little bit. But it is gray out. I think that dog. What are you doing? Snow. Come on. Taking a scenic route, I guess. But since it's kind of blah out, I think I'm gonna try to make it to the store today. The grocery store, that is. I don't know. I guess I don't like going to the store. But yeah, I gotta do it at some point. So I don't know what to get on to today. I need to check to see what I should have done yesterday. It's kind of aggravated me. Is I should have went in the attic part and looked at that board to see how wet it was, because it's had some time to dry out. And then I could have checked today to see how wet it got. So I mean, I don't know if it's been. I didn't look at it because I didn't know it was going to storm this morning. So anyway, we'll see what we're going to get into. Well, since the nighttime thunderstorms has kind of ruined my plans today. I think stopped awful weird. I think I'm going to go to the grocery store. I think I'm already in the car. I'm moving. Ain't no thinking about it. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get drinks and maybe some pizza, some food, something to eat. I just I don't know what to do now. One thing I can do is I can bag up that insulation, so I'm gonna probably do that. Just dumb stuff. It's nothing that's like, I don't know. I gotta do it because it's just sitting there and it's kind of in the way, and I'm not done. So with getting all the insulation out, so I'm gonna go do that. And we're gonna get some. I'm not sure what else I can do, but it's supposed to thunderstorm this evening too, I think. So I don't know. I'm just gonna handle some stuff and we'll see where we are. Okay, well, got a bunch of stuff. So I don't know why I make a list. I never follow it. Well, I get the list plus. That's how I do it. So I got, I guess I'm kind of hungry, and you're not supposed to go to the grocery store kind of hungry, but it is what it is. I'm gonna drive. All right, so sneezy because I'm bagging up insulation. It is awful. Here's what we got. Still got all that. I've already gotten 4 bags of it. It came out about here. So I've done pretty good. Come on, get out of that insulation, dude. Done pretty good so far, but oof, it's rough. So I'm gonna keep doing that for now. Try to get this cleaned up, and then I might jump on that outside part if it's not storming yet. But for now, I gotta take a break for a second because it's rough. All right, well, I've been I think I've gotten maybe one bag more since I talked to you last, maybe. Not sure, it's like 2 or 3. But what I've noticed is the bags had holes in them, like that. But it was coming from, there was all these little nails through here. So I've been pulling them up. Now one could argue that I'm just delaying the inevitable of bagging up this insulation. Not entirely wrong. However, I am going to have to get these nails up at some point, so why not do it before it punctures holes in the bag? So we're going to go maybe make a sandwich right quick and then get back on it. Got it done. Only took like that many bags. It's awful. That is awful. Sad part is I still got probably about 50 to 60% more still up in the attic. So we will save that for another day because that was awful. All right, so that appears to be dry. Definitely drier than it was the other day. So, guess I fixed it. Cool. Here's what we got. So still got all that mess right there. But it's not near as much as I thought it was. And of course I got to sweep a little better. But yeah, getting there. All right, so we did a quicko repair. Not quite done with it, but I think it'll work. So, not really ideal on film, but I think I'll get the job done. I need to find a piece of trim that'll work and then get a little bit more to it. But I think that'll do. Do some caulking around it and priming. I think it'll be all right. I mean, it's not gorgeous, but let somebody come over here and tell me it's not gorgeous. I'll punch them. Because this is awful. I'm not making a new house. So anyway, we're gonna make some Mexican food because Cinco de Siete, something, I don't know.
Not this time. Simply because it's really, really, really far away. That's stupid. They believe that all the wobbling, spinning, and
All right, so ends a day. Stormed again. So we watched some TV and I'm doing drawings. Don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Maybe it'll be not raining. We'll see.